Today we're going to talk about the human body and specifically white blood cells or leukocytes that are located inside our body. So white blood cells are one of the two types of blood cells in our body. We have red blood cells and white blood cells. And white blood cells make up 1% of the human body. White blood cells' job is to protect the body against infectious disease and foreign invaders. So they're really part of the immune system in our body, which protects us and keeps us healthy. As you can see in the image, they're kind of disc shaped and they get a little thinner in the middle part of it. But it is important to have, for the human body, to have an appropriate number of white blood cells to make sure that we are always kept healthy. If our white blood cells go down, we can get sick. And if our white blood cells go up, it can mean that our body is trying to fight off an infection. So once again, the white blood cell's job is to protect the body against infectious diseases and foreign invaders, things that should not be inside of our body. Your question that you are going to be recording today is, what are white blood cells and how are they important in the human body?